This is like my junk shelf. Don't look at that. So today I'm going through my clothes again. I noticed that I only do this whenever I'm on my period and having a midlife crisis, so I have decided to go through all of my clothes just quick because I just did this, and there's a lot of things that don't fit me. There's a lot of things that I don't wear. Here we are again. Okay. See, okay, this is the problem I'm having. Ugh. I can barely fit anything in there. I guess I'm just going to take everything out and put it back in. So that is one side of my closet completely put out. I regret my decision. Hanger. Oh, another hanger. I'm not trying everything on. Just a couple things. Oh, that wasn't an empty hanger. Here's a loose cardigan. I already know I want these ones. And this one. I bugged my friend for half a year to give me this. I haven't worn it yet, but I'm keeping it. Just bought this and it says baby girl. Not really sure why. It's kind of cute, but also... You know that one piece of clothing in your closet that you have had for years, but you never, like, ever seem to wear it, but you can't let go of it? That's this Nintendo 64 crop. I should wear this. I really should. I really wanted this when I got it, but I haven't worn it. Well, I just bought this at Ross, and it's super cute. Very Christmassy. I'm excited to wear it. My Utah sweatshirt that has burn holes in it. This is new. Look how cute. So this is one of those ones that I was kind of debating on, because this is such a cool sweatshirt. Dang it, I don't think I can throw it away. I just looked at it in the mirror, and it's really cool. Why don't I wear it? I always get angry for getting rid of clothes. I can't own every piece of clothing in the world, Annie. You know, I don't think I would miss this. Or would I? Oh, I don't know. Get rid of it. Just don't look at it anymore. This is so cute. I haven't had a chance to wear it yet because these are super annoying to move around in. But on a date day, rather than like working, and you have to be constantly moving because these are constantly riding up. Anyway, if you own one of these, you know what I'm talking about. This is kind of new. This is really cute. I like this one. This is one of my newest shirts from Walmart. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I've been thinking about getting rid of this one for a minute. Now, this is boyfriend jacket. We don't get rid of boyfriend jackets. Israel's favorite shirt. Don't get rid of that one. Dolls Kill. Oh, one of my favorites. Absolute favorite. Dare. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. I'm keeping too much. I got rid of like 6 things so far. Now this guy's really cute, but I don't think it fits me anymore. It's like a dress. We'll try it. Now I am into crop tops. This is where I have the hardest time. This is cute, and I haven't worn this yet. I'm obsessed with these cropped muscle tanks that I cut myself. Look how cool this is. Isn't that just neat? I love this one. It's like a little anime face. Plain black tank top. This guy I wore the heck out of last summer. I'm gonna keep most of these. Okay, now this shirt I'm gonna cry because it doesn't fit me anymore, and it's my smiley face t-shirt. This 100% does not fit. This guy too, I've been debating this guy forever, but I think it looks kind of stupid on me. We're gonna try it on. Love me a gray turtleneck. This one is new, actually, like last month new. And it's so pretty. It's just like a silky purple crop top that I got from H&M. I wore the heck out of this last summer. This is cute. I've only worn it once though. Now this I'm heartbroken over. This is like the cutest little shirt that I've ever seen. Like ever? But it's so tight on me. Let's try it on one more time. My weight has fluctuated lately, so, you know, that's part of my crisis. I had a big alien phase, so I got this. This is a really cute shirt, but I haven't worn it in a couple of years, and I don't think I would even miss it. Well, by getting rid of the stack that I have so far, I now have like this much closet room, which is good. That's good. It's real good. The rest of my closet is mostly just skirts. I'm gonna go through those too. Okay, these are all of my skirts. There's not, you can't really see them. There's a lot. This one I know I can get rid of because this is something that I got thrifted for my birthday, and it looks really cute. But when I put it on, it looks really old. I just don't wear these as often. But if you like them, just keep them. Why not? You already have them. Now this one is so pretty, but I don't think it fits me right. This guy's a no, unfortunately. Keeping all of these skirts. Keeping both of these skirts. keeping both of these skirts. Oh my gosh. All these need to be tried on. Okay, I've gone through all of my clothes. This is my little stack to get rid of, which isn't huge, but I still need to go through this. I'm not going to bore you with this. I'll just show you my pile once I'm done, because I'm going to try on all of these with various clothes and be like, do I want it? Yeah, I'll keep it. I'll just show you the end result. So I've been trying my clothes on for like probably 45 minutes to an hour now. The sun has decided to go down, and I look like I've been through the ringer. Well, my pile is much well, hold on, let me get out of the way. My pile is much bigger now. Most of those maybes I ended up getting rid of, except for like 4 sweaters and 1 skirt and 1 crop top. So I did get rid of most of it. Here's my, hanger graveyard. Yes, this is my bed because I don't want to put my camera back on the tripod. So this is like the 5th time I've gone through my closet this year. And I don't know if it has something to do with the pandemic. I'm going to assume that it does. And with me just going to work, it's become more of a practical fashion sense that's comfortable rather than express myself. So I definitely feel conflicted with what I want to wear. I don't feel inspired lately. So yeah, I wasn't even going to film this video, but then I was like, I'm going to go through my clothes anyway, so why not? Why not film it? Somebody might want to see it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. You can also check out my Instagram page so you can see what I post between my YouTube posts, which are few and far between. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. Ugh.